Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this video we'll talk about Forex Diamond and my own indicator and the results from running this robot you see up in top here now for 3 days on live account and taking all the trades with my own indicator. But first we'll talk about Forex Diamond. So let's get to it. So let me open there. So the result from running this for 3 days, it's running on a small account. So every trade is 0.01 lot size. So as you can see now, for 3 days running, we have made 2.5% gain of account. So total $3.4. And that seems small, but thinking about that we are in a so small account, that's very amazing. And you can't expect more from a so small account. So if you want this robot, you can find the link below the video and you can get started with this robot today. I will continue let this robot be running for as long as I don't see any reason to stop this robot, to say like that. So I will make a follow-up for this video, of course. And right away the counts start to be around $200. We are going to raise every bid up to 0.02 lots and so on. So let's now talk about the indicator. For the ones that want something for free, that's the one for you. So let's go into that one. Here, let me see. So we open there. So as you can see, we have now 142-ish in account just right now. That means a grow of account in exactly 3 weeks, because we started on Wednesday and this is week number 3. So we have run the robot exactly for 3 weeks. We have 38% of account. The reason I say 38% is because the robot is running on the same account and the robot made 2-ish%. So it's a 38% we made from the indicator. This indicator, let me show you how it works. Let's close this down. Every time you see one of these balls up here, then you're going to close it on the next cross, but only if the cross is below, for example, in this case, if below 30, we cross it, will be the cross between red to green here. So you would open your trade up here and close it down here. So it will be a beautiful trade. And if you take some more examples, we can go, let's find a buy trade. So in the buy trade here, we would open on this part here and we would close it on the one over here. So basically a zero trade. Let's take one more. We would open on the one here and close it up here. We would open on the one down here and we'll close it up here. So you get the idea. This indicator is so easy and so good to follow. You can't do mistakes. It's that simple to use. And as I've taken every single trade, the pairs I've been trading is only euro against dollar and GBP USD. Only these two. And 38% in 3 weeks. That's amazing. And right away, like I will do with the robot, right away we see the $200. We're going to raise our bid to 0.02 lot. That means we are growing as the account is growing also. So if you want this indicator, just make sure you check the link below the video. You get it completely for free from me. So what are you waiting for? Go down and get this indicator today, or if you're lazy, get the robot today. So with that, have a perfect day.